Hey guys, welcome. We're back finally, we're back guys. Welcome back to Roke TV YouTube gang. Alright, so you know we had to kick off YouTube journey with a banger. We're here at the beautiful river. It's like 1,000 degrees outside guys. I'm so sorry, I'm so sweaty. Trying to look cute and it's hot, you know, the struggle. But yeah guys, we're back and I'm so excited to see you guys. We missed you guys so much and all upset when I miss with you. You know, I try to get the ponytail fluffing. That's a lazy style I'm doing now guys. They did in a half of half going on. Never did a deep style. We just change it. Alright guys, so we got it. We good. We gooch. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're in front of the river. It's like I said, it's like 1,000 degrees right now. And the water is perfect though. The water is perfect. It's not freezing. We recently went in the mountains and the water was freezing. We tried to record that for YouTube, but that didn't work out. So here we are. Alright guys, so just stay tuned. Alright guys, so we have a pot on the stove before we go over to the river, which is over there. Y'all see that? Got this going on, which is some good old ganja tea.
Yeah, guys.
See you guys. Ooh, look at that. Yes guys.
Hey
guys, welcome back
to Roke TV.
Yes guys, welcome back to Roke TV.
We're
We
doing
missed you
it.
guys so much. See the rolls right here. As promised.
Yeah, we just go and do it, guys. We're doing some outdoor cooking today. We're by the river, by the Wagwater River in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You know, and we're at the Botanical Gardens too. So
Yeah.
definitely check that out if you come to Jamaica. Put it on your bucket list.
Full show.
Yeah, we're in the art of nature, guys. As I don't know, we are nature-loving people. We do nature content and stuff. We go hiking, we go camping, we go by the rivers, we do outdoor cooking. Just nature-loving people, outdoors people
A little bit
overall.
of this, a little bit of that.
We walk barefoot, look. When we in nature, we walk barefoot. Look at my feet, grounding. Yeah, man, strictly nature. Free up yourself.
Yeah,
That's
guys.
what we do. So, stay tuned, guys.
Yeah, stay tuned, guys. See you soon. Alright, guys. So, Rose behind me. He's about to start seasoning the fish. So, we're about to head over. In case you guys are wondering what that's behind us, we're actually on live on TikTok right now. So, if you guys want to join us on TikTok, be sure to follow us there if you want to see live cooking, because we do live cooking on TikTok, child. So if you can't wait for these YouTube videos, find us every day on TikTok doing some outdoor cooking, child. Yeah, so let's go over. All right, so this is how the tea's coming along so far.
Need a real nigga, no, not a pony.
Idiot, you love that.
A pony, you do me as a pony.
Guys, so Ro is setting up the fish seasonings.
Yeah, guys, yeah, season up. But you should tell them, because the people them on TikTok are here. You know, look at me. Guys, we are trying to keep the meal hidden from TikTok, from our TikTok people.
Yeah,
So
guys.
we're on TikTok live while we are filming.
It's real out here, guys. The hustle's real. Doing YouTube and TikTok at the same time, and we're live on TikTok, by the way. Nice apropos.
Maggie want to sponsor me.
Maggie.
Come a brand ambassador.
Hey, I'll put myself as a Maggie billboard.
Yeah.
Alright guys, more seasoning. About to rub up the meat and get it all seasoned in. Alright guys, so I want to show you this tree. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty. Oh, the tree is saying hi. It just started blowing. Fresh bamboo all on the floor. Bamboo leaves, I should say. There's a bamboo tree over there. And then we have this. Look how pretty. Get them in the background. I'm trying to get like a photo shoot with us, but it's not working out. Hey guys, isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. I don't even know what they are. They're just some pretty pink stuff, I guess. Yeah. Rose over there. I'm gonna make my way back over now. There's somewhere you can sit. So many bamboo leaves. I'm pretty sure they have health benefits. They do. I just forgot what they are. And I'm about to drink our tea. I want to show you because I showed you guys when it was boiling. Here's what it looks like finished. Yeah. So just stay tuned.
Soy milk.
Yeah, this is sweetened with soya milk. Herb tea, as I told you guys before. So nice. It's one of my favorite spots, but I absolutely hate the person that's in charge of the office. So there's always some fucking con, unfortunately.
Just fucked up, they have some demon people in them places. Like them places have people who have God energy, you know, brother.
Right? And they're trying to ruin it.
Yeah, like gatekeeper, you know, like everywhere, like to paradise, I go have a little demon.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a very testy person. She like test people.
Because this is not our first. Yeah, this is not our first bad encounter with her.
So she's stay, brother. So we come have a camp. First thing we call the people and ask them to camping. She said, yeah, me I call about the phone, the woman answer. So we turn up, we just pop up. She come out of, oh, but I didn't answer him. I said, but I said, I'm going to do camping here.
Yeah.
Because she try to run a joke with him on the phone and I never find it funny, so I never laugh. So I guess she take it offensive.
Yeah.
Because I never find her joke them funny. She's not a funny person. You know?
She's a very annoying person.
Very annoying person. So she take it offensive when I call her on the phone and now pick up back when I call because like she know the number. When I pop up now, the woman I go say, oh, but you didn't. I say, yeah, I called yesterday. Oh, but I didn't answer you. I say, yeah, but I said there's camping, so how much for camping? Give me this ridiculous price to which me know say is nothing.
Yeah, she wasn't supposed to, and I can guarantee that she pocketed the money.
Yeah, she never supposed to charge so much.
Yeah.
For camping. She take back some of my money for herself.
Definitely. I think she took all of it.
Cause I guess for use the property, it's just $100. So why camping overnight our cost
$2,000 plus.
Right? Because if you use the park from like if you use the park for a full 24 hour.
Yeah.
$100. So why just because we are camp and maybe through she will come, we do a thing and she hear K accent, she say, oh yeah, I'm gonna try to charge them enough. Or probably she thinks so, but I know, she just very weird.
Or she thinks that we're uptown or some shit. But just basically trying to exploit us based on how we look and how we dress. Unfortunately, that's a very common issue in Jamaica. When you look a certain way or present yourself a certain way or speak a certain way, they're going to try to think of all the ways that they can manipulate and rob you. Unfortunately, it's my people and all, but I'm telling the truth. It needs to stop. It needs to stop. It really needs to stop because it's really disgusting.
Yeah, man, it's disgusting, man.
It's really disgusting. You're supposed to be helping your people. This is why black people as a race are so behind, and I'm gonna leave it right there. Yeah, guys. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys. So we're about to break up some wood fire. Well, wood for the fire. Yeah. Whoa. Damn.
Alright, this not too hard, easier. No more shit needed, real nature style.
Alright now. You not bad.
No more.
We're all setting up.
Alright guys, so
it's us. Okay guys, the fire is blazing finally. Alright guys, so the pot is on right now. Not the pot before we start cooking. Yeah. Guys, if you don't follow us on TikTok, make sure you give us a follow on TikTok. All our info is in the description box.
alright guys, so this is the food. That's what you saw in the well, let's see in the video. We just take a little nice tip of it. It's on the thumbnail too, so.
It's spicy.
That's good.
I'm gonna finish up this food. Yeah. Let's stay tuned.